Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to preview mobile view in your PC. We have two options here. Option 1 require login, option 2 without login. Option 1, the first thing you need to do is you need to click on the customize link. Then move your mouse to the bottom left section and click on the mobile icon. Now you are previewing the mobile version using your PC. It's quite nice. The menu, category menu. You can also use this trick to preview tablet view using your PC. What you need to do is just click on the bottom left tablet icon and then there you go. Option 2 is without login. All you need to do is you only need to change the white of your browser to a mobile view like this one. So right now you are previewing the mobile view using your PC also. If you want to preview tablet view, you just need to change the white to tablet view.